Ma Long nearly cries. The dragon's eyes were full of tears, or am I wrong? It seems that Ma Long is really tired. During the WTT European Series, 3 games a day, very tired and not easy, but they all won. This is the post-match interview between Ma Long and Lin Gaoyuan in the men's singles early yesterday morning. It is always been hard work. There's nothing that not hard work. Hearing the first sentence uttered by the soft voice, he held it back and burst into tears in an instant. He was really not easy too, really great. The last game was quite anxious. The final game was desperate and finally came back to win.
Ma Long, can you